Okay, we are installing SIMs, DIMMs, and RIMs in motherboards. This motherboard uses SIMs. To remove a SIM out of a motherboard, open the latches. The SIM will fall backward in the slot. Pick it up and out. Do the same thing. Lift the latch, pick it up and out. Removing from back forward, but installing from front backward. So put the SIM into the slot all the way in and then push forward until the latches on both sides click into position. You can feel it slide and sink into the slot solidly. Put the second one in place. Check the latches to make sure they're in place. A DIMM is easier. Just remove the latches on both sides and lift the DIMM up and out of the slot. In fact, as you push the latches forward, the DIMM pops up. Pop it up. Put it back in the slot, position it in the slot, push down until the latches themselves pop themselves into place, like this on both sides. Being careful not to rock the DIMM. A RIM. RIMs are installed, something has to be in every slot. If it's not a RIM, it has to be a C-RIM or continuous RIM. Lay the continuous RIMs aside. To remove a RIM, open the latch, the RIM pops up, you can take it out. To install it back in, position it into the slot, push down until the latches lock into place on both sides. Install the C-RIMs in the same way. Push down until they lock into side. And as you're installing memory, be very careful to protect the modules against ESD by using an ESD bracelet or some other method. And don't touch the chips themselves if at all possible. And that's installing SIMs, DIMMs, and RIMs.